Some people think when you're eating healthy that you have to have bland food. Not really. You can have spice, chili, herbs. Just choose your ingredients wisely. Today we have 6 pieces of thighs here, which was marinated overnight with this tandoori paste. And then we got some veg here. Broccoli, carrots, onions, sweet potatoes, some chili flakes, and obviously some salt. What we're gonna do, we're gonna cook this for 30 minutes in the oven, and then we're gonna add the onions and the sweet potato and cook for another 15 minutes. And for the last 15 minutes, we're gonna add the broccoli and carrots. Now, why in that order? Because these ingredients take a bit longer to cook than those, and then we'll have this with rice, bread if we want to, or we can have it on its own as it is. I like my food flavoursome, spicy. I cannot stand boring food. This is going to be really nice and tasty. There's 6 big pieces of thighs here, so for a big adult or a male adult, this is approximately 3 big meals. But for anyone else, it could be anything 4 or 5 meals. So we're cooking, and then we can do the food prep, put them in a container, and have them throughout the week. So we're going to get some chili flakes, because this marinade is got a lot of flavor, but for me it's not spicy enough. So we're going to add some chili flakes, and we're going to cook this for half an hour before we start adding the other ingredients. And some salt, not too much, salt is not good for you. Give it a mix, and it goes in the oven for the first part, half an hour. So this has been cooking in the oven for 30 minutes, guys, and it's nice and hot. Now we're gonna add the sweet potatoes. Nice and evenly. It's all gonna get a good little mix. And it goes back in the oven for 15 minutes. Remember, this is hot. Take care. So, and the last bit after 15 minutes, we add the broccoli and the carrots. If you find your dish is starting to dry up, just add a little bit of water. We're talking about maybe half a mug or half a cup. We're 45 minutes into cooking. First 30 minutes chicken, 15 minutes with the onions and sweet potatoes. Now we're gonna add the last batch of veg, carrots, and our broccoli. Give it a quick mix, and then another 15 to 20 minutes maximum, and until the veg is cooked. The dish is done. So we got protein, we got both types of our carbs in this meal. It's for me, so I'm gonna have 2 pieces of chicken. So one type of carbs we're getting from the sweet potatoes, and from the veg we're getting the other type of healthy carbs, vitamins and mineral. Lots of sauce. This dish is cooked with no oil, fat or anything, so just some herbs and spices. So it's very good, healthy, nutritious, perfect for bulking, muscle training, losing weight. Hopefully this gives you a great idea for a healthy meal. Please leave us a like and a comment, and subscribe if you haven't. There you go, enjoy your meal. There'll be lots more future videos on meal plans and great ideas for recipes and cooking. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay fit, much love. Take 2. People think when you have... Edit that bit out. Stay.